So a few months ago, I put up these tow straps on the ceiling with just some eye hooks. I put those up there so that I could store my kayak up on the roof so it's out of the way. It works really well. The only problem I have is getting it up there. By yourself, it's a little tough, so I'm trying to fix that today. I picked up some pulleys from the hardware store with some rope, and I'm hoping to make a pulley system so I can do it easily by myself, get it up there, lock it down, and it'd be good to go until I'm ready to go out again. All of the pulleys are up. I think I'm only gonna need 3. I'm gonna put the rope through, see how that looks, and then we'll give it a shot. Alright, so the way I'm hoping this works is I pull on this one string or rope, and the pulleys I gotta make sure the boat stays on the rope. Well, it seems to be working. Well, that doesn't work. Alright, so little update. I did move to a different strategy. I grabbed some more pulleys. I tied these to this removable strap so that I can put this on and off pretty easily. And that way, hopefully, they'll glide up. It won't get off balance like it did that first time. Let's give this a shot. Call it perfect, but it gets it high enough so I can strap it in straight to the ceiling. I'd call it a success. It wasn't as easy as I was hoping for, but it's definitely a lot better than how I was doing it before, by like trying to balance a 2x4 in the center of the kayak as I hoisted it up there and got it into the straps. Could use improvement, I'll work on it, but works for me for now.